I think I would say that what is happening today on Atiku will go a long way in solving the problem of the G-5. You can see that G-5 are coming down, and everything will come to order very soon. Atiku is going to Abia today. You will go to Enugu, and all these threats where these G35 people are on, and they are going to receive him. You can see a sign there. See, today, opening your media, you see Atiku in Abia. And Abia governor is one of the G5, and you come up with the people en masse. Even Wike would come out to receive Atiku Abubakar when he comes. So the issue of the G5 is internal problem of the PTP, and the PTP is all out to solve the problem. And soon, before the election of Atiku Abubakar, I assure you, all the 5 governors will come and announce their support for Atiku Abubakar.
So, Senator Walid, you have all the confidence that this time around Atiku is going to win?
Surely, 100%. And add another 100, over 100% again. Atiku, in everywhere in Nigeria today, is the talk of the town. All other people, I'm telling you, will come down for Atiku. And all of us here, you see us, like me, I have never left PTP from the beginning up to today. And I will never leave, just like I will never leave Atiku Abubakar until he wins the president of Nigeria. Then I'm ready for anything that will happen. But I want to see that Atiku wins this position of the president of Nigeria in 2023.